Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create tasks in the task section of Togile CRM. Begin by navigating to the task section. Click the task button. Click the Add Task button to create a new task. The Add Task panel will open up from the right-hand side. Type into the task name field. Click drop-down and select Entity Type. Then, pick the specific entity name. Select the task type, such as call, meeting, to-do, etc. After that, assign the task to a team member using the Assign to drop-down. After that, set the status of the task, like in progress, done, etc. Next up, choose the priority, low, medium, or high. If you need a reminder, pick it from the Reminder drop-down. Next, click the Due Date field and select a date. Then choose the due time. Click Save to create the task. You can view the newly created task in the table. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more Togile CRM walkthroughs.